As a manufacturer, you know the cost of unplanned downtime. Equipment failure can delay production throughout your value chain, and it can be impossible to make up the time when facilities sit idle. How do you ensure you maximize the lifetime of your assets while minimizing lost time and ensuring your crucial equipment is well maintained and trouble-free? New advances in IoT solutions for manufacturing mean you can retrofit your existing equipment with controllers you can configure without code to monitor performance in real time and optimize your maintenance schedules to prevent failures and enhance productivity. Now, you can collect and analyze real-time operational data 24/7 to predict equipment failure and trigger maintenance protocols without the need to replace your existing machinery. Stream your sensor data into real-time operational intelligence dashboards so you can see at a glance that everything is as it should be and receive alerts or launch corrective actions when it's not. Deploy quickly with IoT controllers that connect to workflow automation software right out of the box, so you don't have to deal with the complexity of programming hardware and integrating with your core systems. Stream your operational data into a dedicated database optimized for high-volume time series IoT record ingestion and visualization. How is this done? By implementing Flowfinity M1 IoT controllers and the Flowfinity Streams data management services in your manufacturing plant. How does this work? Flowfinity Streams lets you stream data into a highly efficient database optimized to monitor activity on an ongoing basis. Then, you can use Flowfinity Actions workflow automations to trigger alerts and manage your records. At the same time, the monitors can automatically make adjustments or stop machines if something falls outside the normal range. Now, you'll have a permanent record of your operating data to analyze for predictive maintenance. This will allow you to schedule your downtime and optimize the lifetime output of your facilities. You can see how Flowfinity IoT solutions combining Streams and M1 controllers provide seamless and reliable machine data management and workflow automation. Enable better human and machine resource utilization to optimize operations for greater productivity at reduced cost. Flowfinity is the only process management platform that allows you to fully connect your physical assets with your digital processes from endpoint to server, with real-time operational dashboards to automate human and machine-driven monitoring and maintenance workflows, all without code. Thank you for watching and learning more about how Flowfinity can help you optimize cost savings, production quality, and efficiency with IoT solutions combining Flowfinity Streams and the Flowfinity M1 IoT controller. No code, no compromise with Flowfinity. Learn more about how this industry-leading no-code platform can help you meet your production milestones and boost your revenue today.